Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. If you're trying to use your Telegram application and you are receiving this kind of an error message, then this means you're having connecting problems on your Telegram application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to solve the issue. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The first thing to do in order to solve this issue is to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Try switching off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and turn it back again. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data on your iPhone, and once you are connected, go to your Telegram application and launch it on in order to see your problem solved. If that fixes the issue, then that's great, but if it does not, the next thing to do is to make sure that you've given relevant permission to your application. iOS allows you to disable background sync and mobile data for any specific app. If you're having Telegram connecting issue on your iOS, then go and tap open your settings application from the app drawer. From the settings menu, search for Telegram from the list of the applications. Once you find it, give it a tap. Make sure that the background app refresh button is turned on to green and is enabled. Now go back to your Telegram application and launch it on in order to see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to look for is make sure that you've disabled the battery saver mode. The battery saver mode is intended to prevent app from running in the background to save some battery juice. So if you've enabled that option, then go to your settings from your iOS device. From the settings menu, tap on battery option. Now, if your low power mode is turned on, turn it off by tapping on the toggle button right next to low power mode. Once you do that, go back to your Telegram app and see if that fixed your issue. Another thing to make sure is to disable any VPN if you are connected to one. Due to the VPN's strong stance on user privacy, Telegram frequently gets banned in several countries, so that might be the main issue, you're not being able to connect to your Telegram application on your iPhone. So if you have any VPN connected on your device, make sure to turn it off, and doing that might solve your issue right away. If nothing else works out, then the next thing to do is to go to your app store and check if your Telegram app needs an update. Type in Telegram in the search box and make your search. If your app needs an update, or if you've not updated your application, then you'll be able to see the update button popping up right next to your application. Simply tap it on in order to begin updating to the latest version of Telegram Messenger. Sometimes because of the outdated version of Telegram, which might have some bugs in it, you won't be able to operate the application like you are normally supposed to. So once you update your application, you might be able to solve your connecting issue on Telegram. Once you're done with the update, tap open your Telegram app from your app drawer and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're having trouble while connecting to your Telegram application on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.